welcome back everybody. We're going to let you check out this CanAm Commander 1000X, and next Wednesday we'll be right back on that Polaris 170 400EX swap, if not more. So be sure and get up in there and check this thing out.
That other one I remember fucking falling off. That's scary. God damn.
Dude, it'll get so sideways.
Hell yeah.
I don't want to do it though.
Oh shit, my spring kit.
It's still there.
She good.
No donut.
Alright.
Yeah, watch it with that one. I ain't riding with you. Is the door open? Like, nah, I'm cool.
Yeah, just get a couple little pulls on it. I'd do it in low at first because it might have more yank. We gotta make sure it's good, y'all. Like, how are we gonna know if it's good if we don't find out that it's good? That suspension's pretty nice on it, guys. Pretty comfortable ride other than throwing you this way or that way. Dude, I like the way it's so quiet, man.
Yeah, dude.
Like, even when you're romping on it, it's quiet.
Dude, yeah. Man, this thing is fun as fuck.
Let's drive us back over to the shop. I guess park it behind my behind that blue go-kart so we're not in the way of anything. And we got a full clutch kit right here for maybes. Look at there, just in case we decide to. Might as well take it in there so our instructions don't get completely washed out.
Yeah.
Clutch kit, dude. I felt like it was picking the front tires up a couple times.
Oh, yeah.
That's a four-wheel drive. Now straighten it up. Go straight. Drop your front end off first. There you go. Now you can turn left. You just don't want to turn left on that hump. Flip it over. Yeah, go around this tree right here so we don't scrape it. Go left. Up. Just gets the traction, old son. It's like nothing. Go straight. Yeah, we're gonna go up that hill on the left. Go that way a little. Alright, now. Easy, boy. You ain't gotta hammer it. It'll loop this bitch over. Alright, let's go park it. I want to take it to Red River. Guys, I appreciate you watching this CanAm video. Next Wednesday we'll have us another one coming up. Might do this XP 1000 if our old Polaris Projet over here isn't done yet. A buddy of mine's working on fixing the cases for me, and then we should finish that thing up, have a video of it by next Wednesday. If it isn't this that we're posting a video of, it'll be this 125R mini quad we're in the middle of building. So get up in there, share to your friends. Lots more videos coming, guys. Appreciate you.